Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say goodbye to frantic searches with the Apple AirTag 4-pack. This tiny gadget is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep track of their most valuable items, offering ultimate peace of mind. What truly sets AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding with Ultra Wideband technology, guiding you directly to your misplaced items with an arrow and distance on your iPhone. Setup couldn't be easier. Literally a one-tap process connects AirTag to your Apple devices, integrating seamlessly into your digital life in seconds. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about splashes or accidental drops, making it incredibly durable for everyday adventures. Imagine never misplacing your luggage while traveling again, or instantly locating your pet's collar around the house. Ready to experience this convenience? Check out the link in the description to grab your own Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. This isn't just a tracker, it's a smart investment in never losing what matters most. For unmatched accuracy, effortless setup, and robust durability, the Apple AirTag is undeniably the best electronic tracker of 2025 and a must-have for everyone.